Hello students, we're continuing with exercise 13.1. Question number 7, 8 and 9 are left. These questions are very important. Let's start with question number 7. If you read the question of the given in the textbook, they're talking about a tent, cylindrical, and it is surmounted by a cone. This kind of situation is given. The diameter of the cylinder is 4 meter. So let's say this is the diameter is 4 meter. So my radius will be obviously 2 meter, isn't it? Okay. And the height of the cylindrical part is 2.1 meter. And for the top, that is the conical top, the slant height is 2.8 meter. Now you have to find the area of the canvas that is required to make the tent. So obviously my area of the canvas will be equal to, for the cylindrical part, that is the top, I need CSA only because I don't need this, isn't it? So CSA of the cone, or you can write conical part, no problem. CSA of the cone plus, what about the cylinder, CSA or TSA? This is not required, and this is also ground, so this is also not required. So for the cylinder also you need CSA of the cylinder. Now CSA of a cone is pi RL, CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Since both of them have same radius, you can take pi R common, you are left with L plus 2H. Pi is 22 by 7, R is 2, L is 2.8, and H, height of the cylinder, is 2.1. You can substitute all the values, calculation is very simple, and you should get 44 meter square. It's not over yet, you have to find total cost of making this tent. So per meter square cost is 500. So what I'll do now, I'll multiply it 500 into 44. So my final answer should be rupees 22,000. Right? This is an extremely important question. Let me mark it over here. Question number 7. Now let us go to question number 8. Now if you read the question, very interesting. There is a cylinder, and on that cylinder I have hollowed out a cone like this, same height, same diameter, same radius. Now you have to find the height of the remaining solid. Dimensions that are given is the diameter of this one is 1.4 centimeters. So of course my radius will be 0.7, half of it, and the height of this cylinder or the cone, same height, isn't it? 2.4 centimeter. Now I have to find the height, area of this solid. So very easy. So area, please pay attention here. What I have to do, for the cylinder I have to find CSA. Okay. Now for the cone I have to find CSA. But if I do this, there is a mistake. What is the mistake? This side is hollowed out, so this side is not there, but this side is there. So I have to take the base of the cylinder also, circular base, isn't it? Base of the cylinder, one base. This taller base to I already hollowed out koi pelalo no, cone to banaote to gusi gol, so podu thaki gol. So now if I put the values, corner hoy pi RL, then 2 pi R is cylinder ahibo, our cylinder of base hoy jabo pi R square, circular base hoy. To calculate koriba, calculate kori, ultimately you will get almost 18 centimeters square. But there is a problem here. The problem ke question to kele important, this L, slant height, is not given. You have to find a slant height. Let me show it over here. L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So radius is 0.7 whole square plus 2.4 whole square. So if you do this, you should get 2.5 centimeter. This part is important, please be careful about this part. Then you can put L equal to 2.5, rest are given already, you can calculate, you should get around 18. So this is question number 8. Now the last one, let's go to question number 9. Again, very interesting. In this question now, figure is already given in the textbook. There is a cylinder again, and what I have done, both ends I have carved out 2 hemispheres, something like this. The entire height of this one is 10 cm and the radius is 3.5 cm. You have to find the total area again. So what I'll do, I'll find the area for the cylinder. I have to take CSA of the cylinder, because upor par tolor par hemisphere banai disu, base kita nai, plus area of 2 hemispheres. Hemisphere of it are CSA, obviously. Area of 2 hemisphere, you can write CSA of the 2 hemispheres. So CSA of the cylinder is again 2 pi r h, and duta hemisphere ase, so 2 into hemisphere is 2 pi r square. You can take 2 pi r common, you are left with h plus 2r. All the values are given, and finally if you substitute all the values and calculate, you should get 374 centimeter square as your final answer. Don't worry, all these values are given, radius is also given, height is also given, isn't it? So that's all. So that is question number 7, 8 and 9. In the next video I can start 13.2.